Rubin. I'm Rubin. Learn with me.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Rubin Slow English. Today, I am at the airport. Let's practice real English conversations together.
Wow, Rubin. Are you going on a trip today?
Yes, I'm going to visit my grandparents in another city. Airports can be a little confusing, so I will show you step by step. First, I go to the check-in counter. There is a nice lady working there.
Hello, good morning. May I see your passport and ticket, please?
Yes, here you are. I would like to check in for flight MU 520 to Beijing, please.
Okay. Would you like a window seat or an aisle seat?
An aisle seat, please. I like to walk around during the flight. And I have one suitcase to check in.
No problem. Your seat is 23A. Here is your boarding pass. Have a nice flight.
Thank you very much. At the check-in counter, it is important to speak slowly and clearly. If you don't understand, you can say, "Sorry, can you speak more slowly, please?" Next is the security check. This part is sometimes a little busy.
Good morning. Please put your bag on the belt. Take off your shoes and jacket.
Okay, should I take out my laptop and water bottle too?
Yes, please take out all liquids and electronics. Thank you. You can go through now.
Thank you. Security check can feel a bit stressful, but if you listen carefully and follow the instructions, it's fine. Many people feel nervous here, but it's normal. After security, I need to find my gate. I see a big information board with many flights. Excuse me, where is gate B32?
Gate B32 is on the right side, next to the coffee shop. You still have about 25 minutes before boarding.
Thank you so much. By the way, is there a place to buy some snacks near the gate?
Yes, there is a convenience store and a Starbucks just around the corner.
Perfect. Thank you. When you don't understand something at the airport, it's okay to ask for help. Most staff are very kind and patient if you speak slowly. Now I am at the gate. I sit down and wait.
Attention, please. Boarding for flight MU 520 will begin in 10 minutes.
Okay, it's almost time.
Boarding pass, please.
Here you are.
Thank you. You can board now. Have a nice flight.
Thank you. See you later. Finally, I am walking down the jet bridge to the plane. I feel a little excited and a little nervous at the same time. Inside the plane, I find my seat and put my small bag in the overhead bin.
Welcome aboard. Would you like some water or juice?
Water, please. Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your flight.
On the plane, the flight attendants speak English too. If you need anything, you can say, "Excuse me," politely. Everyone, airports can be busy and sometimes a little stressful. But if you practice simple English sentences and speak slowly, people are usually very helpful. Now, it's your turn. Have you ever been to an airport? What was the most difficult or confusing part for you? Have you ever asked staff for help in English? What other places do you want to practice real life English? Taxi, restaurant, hotel, etc. Please write your answers in the comments below. I read every comment and will try to reply to as many as possible. Thank you so much for watching and listening today. You did a really great job. If you like this real life slow English, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next video. Bye bye, everyone. Take care and safe travels.
Reuben, thank you. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.